This 2022 Newmar Bay Star 3609 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Ryder Decor interior, sleeps 4, refrigerator, self-contained, TV antenna, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, smoke detector, LP detector, stovetop burner, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Bay Star 3609 is built on a Ford F53 26,000 pounds chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.